Right, I'm back. Now, I'm going to use this Grosgrain ribbon up again to do one very similar to this one, but using the Grosgrain so you can actually see what's the difference between the two. So I'm just knotting my thread. And I think what I'll do is, that's long enough, that. So we need, let's do 6 to start with. So that's, they don't have to be all the same, perfectly the same length. Oh, fingers and thumbs don't want to work. Let's unravel it. Can't stand it when it's ravelled. So that's 4, 5, and one more is 6. So that's all we need is 6 strips. They're about 3 inches long. Fold them in half and round the edge, because that's the shape of the petal. This time I'm going to singe them because I don't want them fraying. It is a different ribbon to the other one. So that's that. There we go. Last time, if you remember, I did it halfway across. I'm doing it from the bottom section this time. I'm going to do a twist on this one though, I think. Hopefully I can get this done in the time I've got. What's a video? Oops. You might as well just prepare all of them together, not as you go along. It's just easier and quicker when you're putting things, flowers together, to have them all ready and done the same. Like that. So I'm trying to speed this one up because I don't want to you know, waste the time. So we've got our needle and thread done. I forgot to do what I was going to do. I'm going to take it from the middle and bring that back round halfway. So we've got that, yeah? Like that. Let's just get this, and we're going to put them all on together. You don't need to put them on individually and then stick them to the base. You can do it all like this. So it's very similar to the other day, but you get a different shape because you're getting like a double petal like that. So again, let's just take it from where I've finished, just take it round halfway. There we go. And then continue sewing with that. Leave them on. Flip that over. The best thing about flowers is no flower is a perfect flower. So you don't need to have a perfect flower. Oops, see, stabbed myself. Hope I don't bleed, because that'll put a bummer on things, won't it? Like that. Fold that, just flip it over. I'm just going to round that one off a little bit. It wasn't quite what I wanted. Trying to get as many videos out as possible, sharing whatever I can with you. You know, you all like to see what's happening and what I'm doing, so I like to share that with you. Now, Jane Robinson, that's my friend Jane. We finally found the box big enough for the base of your shoe display, and that will be coming out to you. I haven't sent it yet, love it. It will be coming out to you tomorrow. It was really hard to get a box that was strong enough that wouldn't crush that, because that would be catastrophic when you think about it. So I know she's very eager to get her things that I've made. The one that I made, the son, the shack, she is very eager to get her hands on her goodies. Well, I don't blame her, she's paid for them, but we do have to get the right packaging. And I've just had a message from another customer who's waiting for her parcel. It's arrived, but she said it was damaged. Now, she's waited a long time for the parcel to arrive. It got sent ages ago. Don't panic, everybody, because it's not often, it's a rare thing. Normally they arrive on time and everything. So please don't panic and, oh, I'm not buying. Just go ahead and, you know, do what you've always done. Many of you have shopped with me for years. It's the odd one. But I was so disappointed to hear that. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to pull that in, like that. Catch the two first and last petal together. And then we can sort it out. I don't panic about anything like this. And I don't panic about using black thread because it gets covered up. Now this one, you don't need another layer. Unless you want to, that's completely up to you, but you don't really need another layer. So I'm just trying to work this out. See, I've pulled it quite tight, so it's got a really good ruffle in the middle. I'm just trying to release all of the petals and get them side by side, which is where they're supposed to be. See what happens with this. That's it. Now, we're just going to sort this out. That's fine, I'm happy with that. Like that. We just put the knot in ready. Now what I'm going to do with this one is to add some, a doily. I do have some doilies. Small ones somewhere. Or I did have. Oh, do you know what I have got? I very rarely use them, but I've got them. Look at these. Oh. Oh. Oh, doesn't that look pretty? Now, do I want to put a multicoloured one in? Or do I want to put a red one in? See, slightly bigger. No, I don't like that. That's rubbish. How about that one? That's quite sweet, isn't it? And I like the contrast. What about that one? Oh, I like that as well. No, I'm going to go with this one. You know. I bought these a long time ago. Love that. It's just to use up what you've got. That's the whole point. Don't let anything sit. I mean, I've done it and look how I've wasted stuff. Like mediums and things like that. You must get on and use your stuff. I'm going to turn that over. Come on, glue gun work. I must invest in another one. Again, that's all I seem to do is buy glue guns. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's lovely. Now, if I really wanted to, let me just see, because I might want to slightly alter that. And what I have are these. They're like a little diamante earring, and I buy them and keep them because I use them. Let me just hope I can get this done before the camera cuts out. Just cut that bit off. Hang on. Oops, don't do that, Fee. Right, snip the back off. That's it. Now, I'm not going to glue it in until I see whether I like it. Do I like? Yeah, I do. So it's going in. Now, let me just sort my glue gun out. Quick before the camera goes off. And you see, you just altered a handmade flower. As quick as that. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely love them. So easy to make so many flowers. We can keep creating them. I really never get tired of it. There you go. That's this morning's batches, isn't it? And that one that I can't do anything with at the moment. At least it's filmed and we can get that up as soon as possible. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.